I've been to a couple of mechanical keyboard meetups around Australia and even hosted myself, but one place that I've really wanted to go for a meetup is my beloved Philippines. And at the end, I visited Manila to attend Mech Collective Philippines 2019. Mechanical keyboard meets are definitely one of my favorite things about all of this, and yes, for first time watchers, people do have meetups for mechanical keyboards just like many other hobbies. And it truly is the very best opportunity to try out so many different combos of switches, layouts, cases, keycaps, and about everything else. But it's the people who really make the difference, and being able to just talk about keyboards with others who are just as enthusiastic about them as you is always so great. You get to hear a heap of different opinions, and yeah, the thought process that goes behind their precious pieces. There were an absolute heap of boards here. We had 2 rooms which were both super packed, and when I started filming I was doing every single one of them, and I quickly realized that it was going to take ages, but I did it anyway, well, for the most part, so sorry if I missed out on yours. It was also cool to see some company reps there, so we had the likes of Rack, Cooler Master, Corsair, HyperX and IROX present at the meet, with IROX actually flying in for this. I was actually surprised at the amount of prizes they raffled away, and a huge thanks to all the sponsors who contributed to and supported the meet, and it's these guys who help fund the costs of running such an event.
Next one is Neil Brian Ramirez. Alright, so for the first two, let's get this one and the third one. Okay? Big deal, what? Okay, so hindi pa tayo tapos. Malayo pa dito.
All up, I'm so grateful that I was able to attend my first mechanical keyboard meetup in the Philippines. The keyboards as usual were stunning. There was a good mix of pretty much everything, but you guys are just so rowdy, like, not to take anything away from other meets I've been to, but you genuinely had a really fun time and you showed it. And so did I. I love the Philippines and always will, and the community there is just as strong as anywhere else in the world. The organisers Carlo and Mike did an amazing job getting this together in quite a short time actually. Having done this in the past, I know it takes some good effort to get together the venue, sponsors, prizes, exhibitors, food and just everything else, but everything was run so well and smoothly, so a big congrats to them. And thank you to everyone who greeted me and came up to me and said hello. It was really nice meeting some of you and hearing all the nice things you had to say, which was honestly humbling. Amazing meetup, and I'll definitely be back for future Philippine meets, and if you want to learn more about them or attend one yourself, I'll leave some links in the description.